Sento mo ba na to? Ay, tulo! Say present if I call your name ha. Attendance. Aligarbes. Sirano. Seno. Season.
Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up and kalimutan ko na mag-vlog kapon pag-uwi ko sa bahay.
Okay, we already talked about the multimedia and content formats, media formats, such as sound, the content more visually appealing. Mas appealing mo.
I'm going now to my last class. Right now it's 3 p.m. It's my schedule for the last day. So it's 6:41 p.m. No electricity around the city right now. I don't know why. So we will just wait until the electricity comes back. So right now, 10:29. I'm going to bed na. Before that, kanina mga 6 yung nag-blackout. So around 1 hour ata yung walang kuryente. Bumalik yung kuryente around 7 p.m. Nag-live ako konti sa YouTube, mga 50 minutes at then nag-afbat ako and ito na, I'm going to bed na, ready na matulog.
Sa irog-irogon man niya.
Hello everyone. Today is Sunday. I would like to say happy blessed Sunday. Galing ako sa church. I went from the church together with mom, and sister, also my grandpa and my uncle. Actually, my dad wasn't come with us. It's because he was tired from yesterday's work. Pumunta kami sa church around 5 a.m. kasi magsa-start yung mass around 5:15. Nag-end siya around 6:15 or 6:20. So pagdating ko dito sa bahay, nagbihis na din ako. By the way guys, hindi pala ako nakapag-take ng video kanina sa simbahan kasi hindi ko to dalang cellphone ko. Iniwan ko dito sa bahay. Kaya wala akong dala-dala kahit para makapag-film lang ako, para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano pa kaganda yung simbahan namin. Papunta ako ngayon sa bahay ng lola ko, which is doon lang naman, mga 15 steps away lang naman siya. Kasi magtitimbang ako. Nasira kasi yung weighing scale ko, kaya may weighing scale naman sina lola, kaya doon na lang ako. Ako makapaniwala yung timbang ko, bumaba ako ng siguro last timbang ko is 3 days ago, mga 52.50, so parang bumaba ako ng 1 kilo. Pero depende naman yan kasi hindi pa ako kumain ngayong umaga, so madadagdagan pa rin yan, but at least kumagaan ako. Yun yung goal ko.